Hey, I'm Charbel, founder of Velvet Onion and Friends. We're a digital agency based in Australia. We've been around for quite a while. I'm about to introduce you to Get Ship Done. It's not another rigid framework, guarantee you. So we get it. Like, teams don't need another structure, another framework, another blueprint. We've got a way that you can actually cut through the noise and actually get ship done. That's ship, right? This is the pack. I've got it here with me. This is pretty awesome. What it is, it's a whole set of cards and an entire booklet that can help with your product innovation. This is 25 years of experience in one kit. We started around the era when it was less mobile first and more about first mobile. We've worked with hundreds of clients and we've done projects all around the world. This has been 1 year in the design and testing and worked with some real people to get this live. Here are some of our global clients. We've done some pretty impressive work and this sort of system works, and we've trialed it, we've done it. We've done a whole lot of different things with it. I'm going to break it down for you in a second, but this is the kit. Has got a whole set of cards. There's 15 cards, a 263-page booklet with some details in here. As I mentioned before, we've got 260 pages in here. That's our booklet here, and 115 Spark cards. And we're calling them Spark cards because the idea is that we want to get you from being stuck into the Spark mode. We've got two versions, and we're going to bundle them together anyway. We've got the digital kit, which is a Figma file, which is great for workshops, collaboration. We've got printable cards and a printable book. And the print and digital kit is everything in the digital kit. It's this really sturdy box that I'll flash up again. It's right here. Full color, 260-page handbook and 115 delicious guiding Spark cards. So they're kind of Oracle cards, but they're a lot better. Okay, welcome aboard. I'm going to show you through and I hope you have a lot of fun with it. So are we going to show you how it's used? Yes, we will. Let's go. So I'm going to flick screens here. The first thing is that we've set up a way for you to get started. Whether you're running an innovation sprint, finding a product, launching something new, the whole idea is that this is a flexible kit that helps you with your teams plan an entire initiative, whether it's a short innovation sprint, whether you're fixing and improving a product, or whether you're launching a completely new venture or a product within the company. The way it's structured, the front of the card tells you what the actual card is, and it's related to the phase name, and there's 9 phases in this, what the task is, and it gives you a short description. The back of it goes into a lot more details. What is it and why would you do this in the product development journey? Use it as a structured guide or as a creative problem solving tool or a reference system. The idea is that it's designed to get you moving quicker and get you shipping things much, much faster. Again, in this kit, this is the digital kit. It's the same as in the print edition. You've got some guidelines on running a focused 1-week sprint and the outcomes in here, then looking at the 4-week product development lifecycle. So how do we get you to building products much quicker? And we've got the whole thing about the new venture roadmap is a really intensive 12 weeks for a full product build. We know this because we've done this so many times, in that we've built products, launched digital products in the space of 12 weeks. And so if you want to be doing workshops, there's a whole lot of different ways. And again, this is all included in the kit. What I'm going to do now is walk you through how it's structured. So if you can see here on the left-hand side in the Figma file, we've got 9 phases of the foundation, project kickoff, customer analysis, research, ideation, prototyping, validation, development, go-to-market, scaling, iteration, sustainability, resilience, AI and automation. Okay, so we know which age things are going to move faster. We've got to move faster and the world isn't going to wait. The idea with this is that we get you to a place much, much quicker. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you what a phase might look like. What you would do here, we've got the front and back. This is the phase introduction. This is the front of the card and the back of the card. And in the handbook, it goes into a lot more detail specifically around this. Okay, we go into depth, but this is to get you into this concept of just in time and just enough with the handbook as a guide to get you a little bit further. You just click through here. The idea is that you don't necessarily need to use every single card. It's a flexible modular system that allows you to pick the things that you need right now and move forward quickly. They're really high resolution, that's why they're taking a little bit of time to load. This is going to be in your Figma file. And what we've also done, I'm going to flick into here, is that we've got a fully printable a deck. This is exactly the same cards as what you've seen in the Figma file, but it's a printable A3 sheet. What you do is you go through here and print the deck, pull the page in half, glue it together, and voila, you've got your own cards. This is all included in the digital edition as well as in the full boxed edition. Now I'm going to go back into the Figma file. What it's all about is that we want to get you from in the whole idea of being in strategy into action, and from design thinking into innovation doing, and from growing into really building. So the truth is that it really is difficult to get a great product out there. And what we are here for is that it doesn't have to be confusing. What you get is shared language. There's no more silos, a clear direction with common goals, tangible steps on what to do, and this being modular and flexible is that it adapts to your needs. This is a preview of what it is. The whole idea, every card will spark an idea, every idea sparks collaboration, and every step gets shit done. And so if you want support, we're here, Velvet Onion and Friends. We've been around for a while and we love doing this. Thank you so much. And so that's it. We've been helping teams for years and years. We've put a lot of our experience into this. So if you're ready to make it real, boost your innovation efforts, accelerate your product development, grab the kit, share it with your team and start building. As always, we're here to support. Thank you so much.